How much should you actually spend on an RX 7900 Xtx GPU? Because people are happy buying the cheaper ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, XFX Speedster MERC310. The XFX Speedster MERC310 caught my eye right off the bat with its sleek design and powerful specs. At $1,199.99, it sits in the premium price range, but if you're serious about gaming, this is worth a serious look. So what makes this card stand out? The AMD RX 7900 Xtx chipset also ensures that you're getting top-tier performance with a boost clock of up to 2615 MHz. This is crucial if you're aiming for smooth 4K gaming or streaming, as it provides the power you need for high-resolution displays. Now here's the catch. Some users have mentioned that the cooling solution isn't as quiet as expected. Here's the thing though, while it can get a bit noisy under heavy load, the cooling performance is impressive, keeping temperatures in check even during long gaming sessions. So if a little noise doesn't bother you, this card is still a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you're a hardcore gamer looking for high performance. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget, but it's definitely worth the investment for serious gamers. Product number 2, ASUS TUF Gaming RX 7900 XT. Next up is the ASUS TUF Gaming RX 7900 XT OC Edition, priced at $1,219.87. As soon as I saw the durable design and crazy specs, I had to include this one. If you want reliability and performance, this is a strong contender. The axial tech fans provide 14% more airflow, which means better cooling and longer-lasting performance. Plus, it has military-grade capacitors rated for 20,000 hours at 105 degrees Celsius, so you know it's built to last. But there's a minor drawback. Some users' reported installation can be tricky due to its size. It is a larger card, so you'll need to make sure it fits in your case. Still, if you have the room, the performance and build quality make it a worthy investment. This is ideal for gamers who want top-notch performance without sacrificing durability. However, if you have a smaller case, you might want to look elsewhere. Product number 3, Minisforum DEG1 eGPU dock. Now, if you're looking at something a bit different, check out the Minisforum DEG1 eGPU dock. Priced at $109.90, this isn't your typical graphics card, but it's an interesting option if you want to expand your setup. This external GPU docking station supports both the RTX 4090 and AMD RX 7900 XTX. It offers flexible power supply solutions for mini chassis, making it suitable for those who want to enhance their portable gaming experience. The Oculink interface allows for great performance, but just keep in mind it doesn't support hot swapping, which is a bit of a hassle. One downside is that it doesn't come with a power supply, which could be an extra cost. But if you already have one or prefer a modular approach, this is a solid choice. This is perfect for gamers who want to upgrade their laptop or mini PC without investing in a full desktop. Skip this if you want a straightforward plug-and-play solution. Product number 4, Sapphire Nitro plus RX 7900 XTX. Next on the list is the Sapphire Nitro plus RX 7900 XTX. While the exact price isn't listed, it's generally around the $1,200 mark, and honestly, the performance is impressive. It features a boost clock of up to 2680 MHz and 24 GB of GDDR6 memory, meaning you can game at 4K with high frame rates. Plus, with dual HDMI and DisplayPort outputs, you can connect multiple monitors easily. However, some reviews mention that it's on the bulkier side, which could be a problem for smaller cases. But if you have the space, this card shines in performance and cooling. This is great for gamers looking for extreme performance and multi-monitor setups. But if you have a compact build, you might want to consider a smaller option. Product number 5, Joom GPU Support Bracket. Finally, we have the Joom GPU Support Bracket, priced at just $5.39. It might seem like a small accessory, but it definitely caught my attention because GPU sag can ruin your expensive graphics card over time. If you want to protect your investment, this is worth a serious look. This support bracket is made from hard anodized aluminum, providing strength and durability. It's adjustable from 72 to 117, meaning it can fit a variety of setups. The hidden magnet makes for easy installation, and the non-slip rubber pads ensure your card stays secure without scratches. Now the downside is that some users reported issues with the magnet losing its grip over time. But here's the thing, at this price point, it's a small price to pay for the peace of mind that comes with knowing your GPU is supported properly. This is perfect for anyone who has a hefty graphics card and wants to avoid sagging. Skip this if you're using a lightweight card or if aesthetics are your top priority. So there you have it. From the powerful XFX Speedster to the versatile JOM support bracket, each of these options has something unique to offer. The right choice really depends on your needs, whether it's performance, durability, or budget. No matter what, upgrading your GPU is a fantastic way to enhance your gaming experience.